Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Pad 9 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section scroll down to the very bottom to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. And as you can see here in the right section, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it was 11 minutes most of the time I've spent on the settings and the camera. We've got also the unlock and the notifications count, and basically you can use two different ways of checking further details. You can tap inside the graph and it will show you a dashboard, thanks to which you can compare the screen time in particular days of a week. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and under it you've got the list of apps and the specific time you've spent on them. And the second way is to tap directly on the app, so for example the settings or the camera, and again you've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Again, you can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. What is more, under it you've got the ways to disconnect, which means that if you'll decide that you are spending too much time on the screen, you can set some kind of limitations. For example, in the focus mode or the bedtime mode, you can select some distracting apps, like for example social media or anything that distracts you. You can set a schedule, so choose particular days of a week and a particular time, and after setting it and turning it on, your device will simply hide the notifications from those distracting apps, so you will be able to focus on work or simply on resting. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.